Today I'm going to open some of my favorite things ever, mini photo cards. I got these in the mail like 10 minutes ago. They're the 2022 BTS Dalmajang photo cards. I do collect OT7 because I'm a fiend, and I ordered 15 packs from Global, Weavers Global, and also if you've ever considered using a Korean address service, I highly, highly, highly recommend Delivered Korea. I did, because Weavers has a maximum of 5 packs per order. So I ordered I had 3 separate orders and had them all sent to my Korean address, consolidated, and it cost the same amount to ship all of those 15 packs together from the Korean address as it would to have shipped one pack or one order of 5 to me directly. So it cut my shipping cost down by, like 2/3, which is incredible. So our goal today is just as few dupes as possible. But I love trading these. I mean, they're kind of big, so it's a little awkward, but I love how easy it is to find trades, and I don't know, it's fun. So, yeah. So I believe there's 8 photo cards per member. 2 of them are special selfie cards. You can only get 1 special card per pack, which means you need to have at least 14 packs to be able to collect OT7 with only trading, which is why I got 15 total. I just maxed out what I could do in 3 orders. That being said, I don't know if they put the special card right in front or if it's like in that member's place. So I guess we'll find out. It's a little seal. Oh, it looks like no, I don't know. These are so pretty. I just love everything about like the packaging. I also never get rid of these. I'm insane. Okay. Oh my lord. I love these. Wait, does this mean I got a JK special card? Oh wait. Oh wait, hold on. Oh. This is the selfie. Duh. Okay. It looks so similar to some of these I didn't realize. Okay. Jin special card. Oh, it's so cute. All right. Also, you can really see the reflection of my phone. Oh well. Oh, damn, I love these so much, the flower ones. Hobie special card, right? Yeah. These are also so pretty. Oh, cute. All right. No dupes? No dupes. Right, yeah, nice. I'm gonna giggle at every single one of these, I swear to God. Jimin special card. Hello. Okay, yeah. Still no dupes, I don't think. I'm just unceremoniously tossing those packages over there. Oh my, why do I love these so much? Oh my god, they're so cute. This is a Tay special, I think. Yeah. Yeah, no dupes so far. The thing I want most is to pull JK's special cards because, you know, trading for him is not easy. This one? No. No. Oh, did I get a JK special? I think I did. Yay. Wow, yeah, no, I really don't think I've had a single dupe. Yoongi! What was that noise that just came out of me? Hobie. No, I do not have this one. I thought I did. It's just very similar. Damn. So I think if there's 8 cards per, I've opened 6 packs. So if I haven't pulled someone's special card, then I should have all 6 of their regular cards. Right? Let's see. How are these numbered? 2, 6. 106, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. Okay, so cool. I have all of Namjoon's regular cards now. Okay, so this is really going to be about the special cards. So I have, oh wait, no. I have a Yoongi, I have a Hobie, I have a okay, Namjoon was the only one where I didn't have. I have a Jin, a Yoongi, a Hobie, a Jimin, a Tay, and a JK. So Namjoon is the only one that I don't have a special card for. Alright. Okay, yeah, dude. That's a Jin special, right? Yeah, okay. So now I have both of his. I believe I have this. I have this. This is like a repeat of my first pack, except with a different Jin special card. It's all the same regular cards. Oh, looks like a special. Yeah. That was so lame of me. Why did I say that? Okay. Alright. Do I have this one? No, I don't think so. Okay. I think I have complete Jin set now. Maybe... Yeah, I don't think I have any of these. Huh? Oh, no. Okay, wow, I think I just finished every other member's regular cards. I really liked the night and day concept of last year's, but I definitely, I like that these are really cohesive. Cohesive, did I even say that accurately? So now for my remaining packs, I'm missing 6 cards. 6 cards, all special cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Okay. Oh, damn. Duplicate. Okay. So I'm probably going to have to trade now. Oh, I'll be so mad if I get, like, basically... It'll be fine. I'll trade. I just thought I liked trading. Here I am saying I'll be mad if I have to trade. Like a big ol' hypocrite. Okay. How much you want to bet? It's the same Tay. Oh. Oh, well, okay. Yeah. Just not surprised at this point. Oh my lord, okay. I'm glad that I at least have a JK to trade for a JK. That's always easier. Last pack. I'm guessing this is going to be Namjoon. Yep. Oh! Oh, I got the other one! Yay! Oh, that's so cute. Alright. So I got complete sets for only Namjoon and Jin. But obviously I have enough to trade. All of these in duplicates. I don't think I really realized how many it's gonna be. Like I didn't like really think about it. Love that. So I'll be selling them on Instagram after giving my friends dibs. So same username there if you are interested. But yeah, that's all. I will be now sleeving these and putting them away soon, like a little fiend I am.